Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Transport of adrenocortical hormones is discussed in this video. Both the hormone, the cortisol and aldosterone, they are transported within the body in bound form. The binding protein for there are many plasma protein that bind these hormones, and the 90 to 95% of the cortisol is bound to the specific cortisol binding globulin that is termed as transcortin, and this has got a high affinity for the cortisol, and another plasma protein for binding for this cortisol is albumin that has got low affinity for this cortisol. So this albumin contributes to both the cortisol and aldosterone in the transport. So half-life of this cortisol is, because it is bound with this high affinity transcortin, most of this, so the half-life is about 60 to 90 minutes, while the this causes the slow elimination of this hormone from the plasma. 60%. So 60% of the aldosterone is present in the plasma in bound form with the plasma protein, while 40% is found in free form, and its half-life is about only 20 minutes. So what is the functional significance of this binding? High binding reduces renal clearance and degradation, especially for the cortisol, and so this provides the hormone for the body for longer duration. These hormones are transported in extracellular fluid, and the hormones circulate in free and bound form, reaching target tissue more evenly. So they are responsible for reservoir function. The bound hormone act as a buffer system, preventing sharp fluctuation in free hormone levels, particularly during stress and pulsatile ACTH secretion. So they are therefore distributed uniformly within the body. So this table is comparing both of these hormones. You can see that the binding of the cortisol is 90 to 95%, especially with the transcortin, while aldosterone is bound, about 60% is bound with the albumin, and about 5 to 10% of the hormone is found in free form, the cortisol, while the aldosterone, about 40% of the aldosterone is found in free form, and this half-life of cortisol is about 60 to 90 minutes, while the half-life for the aldosterone is very short, is about 20 minutes only. So the cortisol is highly stable in the plasma, and while the aldosterone are less stable and shorter uh, duration and shorter level, and they are less stable in the plasma. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please write in the comment box.